Is your water distiller leaking? Then it might be time to change that float seal. As always, hi, my name's Christina and let's get into it. Over time, the float seal in our water distillers can start to wear down. This in turn can cause steam and water to leak out of this boiling tank and into areas where there is electrical. This is why it is so important, as soon as you do start to see or suspect there might be a leak, you check on that float seal. Now, which float seal is right for you? Well, if you have a precision water distiller, it will be this 5-piece float seal. As you can see, it comes just like this, and for Durastill and Polar Bear models, it will be this 2-piece float seal. Please remember to put this silicone gasket on first before putting on the fiber one. Now, if you are interested or in need of these parts for your water distiller, you can contact us at 403-567-1035, shoot us an email at info@h2rknow, or click the link in our bio to head directly to our website and order it for local delivery in the Calgary area. Alrighty, we'll see you later.